How to disable recommended videos on YouTube app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable recommended videos on your YouTube app. So let's jump right into it. First, open up your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, tap on your profile on the bottom right. Then tap on your settings that's on the top right. And under the account section, you will see your data on YouTube. Tap on it. After you're there, you'll need to scroll down. Now you will see YouTube watch history section right here. Scroll down a bit and at the end, you will find manage your YouTube history. So tap on it. Now after you tap on that, you will need to tap on delete and delete all time. Now here you will need to delete all of your watch history, and along with that, your recommended videos on YouTube will also get deleted. So that is how you disable your videos on YouTube, guys, and that is basically all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.